Hi, welcome to the final tutorial of OpenOffice. So let's scrap this draft. Click File and start a new text document. Now we have a blank slate here. So let's take all we've learned and try to put it into practice. So let's say that we are a company, we have a few products, and we have a quote for it. Let's see how we can put this into real practice. So we'll write down, we at our company would like to present our products below. Now, we have a few products. Let's say that we sell milk, we sell, I don't know, tomatoes, but this doesn't look right. So let's choose that. And now let's click here, bullets. Let's select this bullet. Now, when we click enter at the end of the line here, it will create another bullet. So we have milk, we have tomato, we sell also beef. Now we'd also like to see the prices of it. So let's open another bullet, but now we would like it indented because we have a few types of milk. So let's increase indent by clicking here. And we can even change the bullet itself. So let's change it to an arrow. So we have milk, we have skim milk, we have fat milk. Now, skim milk might have two prices. So clicking enter again, we can indent even further. So let's repeat the process and change it to that. So let's say skim milk, $10 or $20. Now we're not going to go over tomatoes and beef, but let's say that this is too tight. We'd like to space things a bit. So let's go here to spacing and increase the spacing until it's to our liking. So now it's too much. Let's decrease a bit. So this looks much better. But maybe we'd like to expand this spacing here, but keep the tomatoes and beef. So we just choose this part and increase the spacing. So only this part will be increased. Now let's say that we have two kinds of everything. So let's add a new column. Let's say that we'll just have it as two columns right here. So we have milk, but we have the similar product. Add another category. Let's say that this category is coming from the USA and the other category is coming from China. So let's hit enter until we get to the other page. And this will be China. So now we'd like to copy over everything. Simply select all the text that you want, Control, and then C. That will copy the text. We'll go over to China, to the end of it, hit enter, and Control V. Now we have the same in two places. But something is wrong here. This Well, we don't want that in just one place. So we can put it in the header. If we go to Page right here, click on More Options, we'll have a header which we can turn on, and we would like it to be, let's say, 40, and I'd like some margins of 0.2. Now I have a header here. Let's get this text, Control X, click on the header, and Control V. Now this is still not right. We would like this to be in the middle. So we simply select the text, and we select Centered. We can have it to the right, to the left, but let's have it centered. Now, our company, we have a website. We want this to lead to our website. So let's just click on it. Click Hyperlink and add the target. So www.company.com. And the name will be company. So we apply and close. Now it's a link. Now, let's say that we wrote down the prices, we wrote down a thank you note, and we would like to add an image of, let's say, the logo of our company. So we'll simply click Insert, Picture, from File, and select our logo. Let's say that this is our logo. Click Open, and it added the logo. Now this dropped China a little bit, so let's select all this, click back to pull China up, and then we have the image right here. Now, let's say that we would also like a small table. Maybe you'd like the prices there. So simply click on Table and select the amount of cells that we want. So milk, $10, and beef, I don't know, $5, whatever. Now, what we would like to do is maybe bold the text here. We'd like to make this like a header. So let's click Bold, or we can click Control B. Now, we would like to also add a footer and put the number of the page there, or the date. So let's click on Page, More Options, Footer, Footer On, and let's click OK. Now we have a footer, so we can click Insert, Fields, and let's add the date. And this is it. I think it's ready. So we can either print it and send it, or save it. So we'll click Save As, and we'll save it as, this time we'll save it as a document, a Word document. So let's save it. But yeah, we'll keep current format. But let's say that you would like to take this and turn it into a formal PDF, because it is a formal quote after all. So let's turn it into a PDF. We'll click File export as PDF, and simply click export. Now we can define where we want to be exported and give it a name. So quote 2. Click save. And that's it. It's ready to be sent out to our first client. And that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this set of webinars. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.